This is H640P battery-free pen tablet. First, check the two seals in the below, here and here. Then remove it. Inside, they have used CPE cover, and on the top of the box there is a protection. This pen tablet is easy to carry. In the left hand side, you can see 6 programmable buttons. In the bottom side, you can see there are 4 rubber bushes for each corner. Let's see what else in the box. This is the link to download drivers and manual. This manual shows how to connect your pen tablet to your mobile phone. This is the user manual. This is the only difference between H640P and H950P. This is the micro USB cable to connect with your PC. Two OTG adapters. You need to select what is uh, good for your phone. And this is the pen. It has 2 programmable switches. And this is the pen holder. At the below, there's a nib remover. Right? Let's connect your tablet, pen tablet, the PC. Go to www.huion.com/download. This link is in the below description. From here you need to select the model H640P and downloading for Windows, and we're going to download driver. If you want to download manual, you need to select manual. Okay, then download the new version. Wait few minutes. Extract. Run the setup file. Yes. Install. You can select a location to install using browse. Agree. It will install within few seconds. Done. Now open. You can program your push buttons from here. Here you can select Control, Shift, Alt or Windows key, anything you need. You can program each uh, switcher separately. Control. Here you can't use the keyboard to delete. You need to clear strings from this window. Go to the clear string, press, then it will clear the, then press that. Okay, like that you can program everything. Then pen tool, you have two switches over there. You can define them as you wish. Also you can inactive the pen from here. Select inactive to inactive. Okay. Similar to the keys, you can program these two, but select what you want, mouse left button or mouse right button, or scroll down, anything you need. Also you can place any uh, letters, space, enter, anything. Also, you have to do the pressure testing. You can adjust the pressure by these 2 points. You can decrease by pull down. Here you can clearly see that uh, when you decrease the sensitivity, no matter how much you press, it will draw less. You can see here. By pulling up, you can increase the ink level. You need to adjust these 2 points and check whether what you need. I'm happy with, let me check. Okay, this is better for me. Apply, okay. Also, this is the area, working area. Also, you can, this is for the right handers. Buttons are in the left side. If you are a left hander, you need to select 180 degree. Then the button um, will move to the other side. You need to rotate the pen tablet if you select it. Let's change. Okay, as you see in the screen, you need to now rotate your pen tablet. Also, you need to also you can change the working area by um, reducing this left, right, down, up values. Apply. Okay. I'm a I'm a left-hander. Because of that, I'm going to use this setting. Also, there are several options, but we don't need them. It is better if you can export this setup for a folder. Then in the future, you can use that folder as your configuration. You can import them. Okay. Also, you can open this, and here, see, there are 8 nibs for the pen. If your nib is damaged, you can replace it. Now I'll show how you can remove the nib. It is very easy. You see, like this, and put. Very easy. You can put the new nib like this. Okay. You can use this pen tablet with any graphic designing software. Also, you can use this pen tablet to prepare your lecture notes. I use it with Microsoft OneNote, and you have several options. You can highlight the content. You have different colors. This is really helpful for students as well as teachers. Uh, Thank you, and see you.